guys, this is Mother Twins coming back with another challenge. And as you see, I'm going to be doing the Rock the Boat challenge. It's created by Sincere Team. If you haven't already, please go over there to check her channel out. I will be putting her name in the title as well. If you haven't did this challenge, I did this challenge. This is the third time that I attempt to do this challenge. So if you new, welcome to my channel, and I'm finna get right along with it. I believe you have to just eat the whole, try to eat the boats. And she did do a story time, so I'm gonna be attempting to do it. My previous videos was the first challenge. I mean, the first time I attempted to do this challenge, it was I did with taco meat. The second time I did it, it was chicken. The third time is steak. So I'm finna do this challenge. I hope all is well. I've seen everybody do it, so I would not be calling nobody out if it's for anybody to do. So yes, we're finna say a prayer, and we're finna get right along with this video. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be rich to my body, Lord. If you bless the ones that have food, bless the ones that don't have food, and pray that they get some food, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen, amen, amen. And let's go. So I'm going to be building mine. I got some steak that I made. Yes. And I'm just going to put it in here. Some steak. And I have some rice. Some Spanish rice that I have. But who inspired me to, who I seen really do it was Embry Family Entertainment 7. Y'all go check out their wonderful channel as well. That's who I started doing it. And yes, you guys, I've been wanting to do this challenge, and I'm finally getting to do it. But yes, none other. Y'all go check out Sister Team. Got the lettuce. So I actually wanted to make mine like a boat. I mean, it is a boat, you all. I wanted to make mine as a taco boat. Got the tomatoes. Yeah, I had to cut me up some cheese, but I put some cheese on here. Got some cheese that I cut up with the tomatoes. Guacamole. Guacamole salsa. Oh, I hope my boat don't sink. As y'all know, this is Aquarius. Aquarius season is over with. This is Pisces, but we're in the month of February as well. So yes. I am an Aquarius, as you all know, and I hope the boat don't sink as well. And y'all know I got some sour cream right here. Hope it do not. It's gonna sink. I know y'all hear something in the background. But yes, y'all. So we have to eat all of this. And I'm on for the challenge. It's challenge anybody to do it. Um, and I hope you guys do it. Here go my bowl. This is very creative. Mm. Y'all know how we eat. Taco. So as you know, the Sister team did a story time, and I just want to talk about baby Carly. And only because her middle name is Aaliyah. Um, Me carrying her and everything, and I stepped foot in church. I actually went to church when I was carrying her. And when I went to church, I sung in the choir, but it's been years since I sung in the choir and to be part of it. Back when I was in middle school, how I used to sing and everything, and be a part of the choir and everything. And I was actually carrying her, and I was singing and everything, and I didn't know what I was gonna name her or nothing. So I mean, I didn't want to know what her middle name was gonna be, and I just came up with Aaliyah because I was singing and everything, and pretty much, yeah. I was singing in the choir. I went to church with her, carrying her and everything, and I just felt like um, that I wanted to name her that, And y'all, when she came out, um, her nails was long. When she was born, her nails was long, and I was like, wow. As I look at it now, I was like, wow, her nails is like kind of like long and everything. And as I was in the hospital, the lady was like, the nurse told me that she was gonna be a piano player. And what done was, I know my grandma, she is, she played the piano by ear, and I was like, oh my goodness, I was like, wow, it just all connected to me at once, just to know that she can be whatever she want to be when she get older, and if she played the piano, that would be so nice for them. But her name is Aaliyah. Her middle name is Aaliyah. So when I looked at the videos, when I watched everybody's videos, I was like, wow, I just see that everybody was putting Aaliyah picture on there and everything, and y'all know that she passed away in 2001. But I just liked it that, I just felt like I just wanted to do this challenge just because of that. It's just kind of, fun, to do it, and to know that that's what I named her. Her middle name is Aaliyah. So yeah, I got one boat down. Mm. Mm. I already know that boat is wet and it's gonna sink. Some of them sink and it be wet water at the in, in the bottom. I mean, in the boat. Y'all know what a boat is. But yeah. Mm. So did I rock the boat? I rocked the boat. So yeah, y'all go check out her wonderful channel and, and go show her some love over there. I will put her name in the screen, in the title. I mean, y'all. And y'all go check her channel out if y'all haven't did that challenge already. It's my third attempt. So anyways, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time watching me, welcome. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up. Comment down below. Comment down below. I love when y'all comment and everything as well. Thank you all so much. And as y'all know, peace and love.